Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It's what separates a tangy, chewy snickerdoodle from an ordinary cinnamon-coated sugar cookie. The acid and cream of tartar gives snickerdoodles their distinctive tangy flavor, and the chew happens because cream of tartar prevents sugar in the cookie dough from crystallizing into crunchiness. Science.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cream of tartar, a byproduct of wine and grape juice processing, is an acidic salt that acts as a stabilizer in recipes that require whipped egg whites, such as meringue, angel food cake, and soufflé. When whipped, egg whites, also known as albumin, can swell up to 8 times their initial volume.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
But for chocolate chip cookies, you'd use baking soda because it allows the dough to spread, and you get thinner, crisp edges with a tender center. The gas bubbles are trapped by the starch in the batter or dough and cause the baked good to expand while in the oven.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Cream of tartar is acidic, so it can be replaced by other acidic ingredients. Our preferred substitute is lemon juice. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is just tart enough to work effectively without the harsh taste of vinegar. If you're out of lemons, however, white vinegar will also work.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.